Hello everyone. In the last issue, we demonstrated how to use contactors to form a star-delta starter to avoid the large current surge when starting a motor. The traditional star-delta starter has many drawbacks, such as complex wiring, high labor costs, and multiple potential points of failure. Today, we bring an upgraded star-delta starting solution, which boasts high integration and remote control functionality through a remote controller. The integrated star-delta starter solution reduces the number of accessories and the amount of cables used, making installation and wiring simpler. The YCQD7 integrated star-delta starter comes in 3 specifications, suitable for different scenarios. It's equipped with various protection functions including stall protection, overload protection, phase loss protection, short-circuit linkage protection, 3-phase unbalanced protection, over-voltage and under-voltage protection, and many other protection features. Its display has the following functions: fault display, fault alarm, adjustable parameters, fault recording, status display, and other functions. Next, let's connect the 3-phase motor. The rated current of this motor is 2.4 amps. It has simplified the wiring process significantly compared to the traditional star-delta starting wiring method. Connection completed. Next, connect the starter controller. This starter controller supports multi-channel control and remote control. Connect the control signal wire directly to the integrated star-delta starter. Finally, it's time to test the actual capability of this integrated star-delta starter. Let's turn on the 3-phase power and the controller power. You can see that the controller is powered on. You can see that the motor has started running, and the current in the circuit is very low, lower than the measurement range of my multimeter. Now you can see the current slowly rising, and there is a noticeable increase in the motor speed. All right, let's turn it off. In fact, it has been proven that the integrated star-delta starter can effectively reduce the large surge current during the startup of 3-phase motor loads, avoiding impacts on the power grid and equipment. Please stay tuned for our next issue, where we will demonstrate starting a 3-phase motor using a soft starter.